On ACT reading, some questions slow you down. Line reference questions can actually speed you up if you use them the right way. When the test gives you a location, you don't need to reread the whole passage, but you do need the right amount of context. Without a strategy, it's easy to reread too much and waste time. But with a clear plan, focusing only on the relevant section and its context, you move faster and with more confidence. In this video, you'll learn how to identify true, search, and destroy line reference questions, where to read in the passage, and how to use the process of elimination to choose the best answer, even when it's not a perfect match. You're watching ACT Prep with Quizlet, quick lessons to help you feel more confident on test day. A line reference question is true, search and destroy only when the objective is clear and direct. You know what you're looking for, and the lines give you a reliable starting point. Then, you confirm it with nearby context. Ask yourself 2 questions. What am I looking for, and where should I start reading? If the task is concrete, like a detailed cause or definition, use search and destroy. If it's about purpose, tone, or inference, mark it and come back later after you've read more of the passage. When you see a line reference, don't read just that one line. Read at least a few lines before and after. And if the idea starts mid-sentence or mid-example, widen your view until you see the full point. Think of it as widening your flashlight beam so you don't miss key details. Before you look at the answer choices, pause and rephrase the question in your own words. Here, the question is asking what the passage says caused the increase. Now, read the passage near the line reference and underline the exact cause stated. In this example, the passage points to burning fossil fuels and deforestation as the causes. Answer the question in your own words first. This keeps you grounded in the passage instead of being distracted by tempting answer choices. So far, we've covered how to spot a true search and destroy line reference question and how to answer it by reading around the line and forming your own answer first. Ready to lock it in? Tap the link for a quick ACT practice on Quizlet. Then, jump back in so you can keep learning without missing a beat. Once you have your answer, use process of elimination. Eliminate choices that don't match the objective, even if they sound familiar. The correct answer may not match your wording exactly, and that's okay. If it's clearly better supported than the others, it's the right choice. If a line reference question feels confusing or the objective isn't clear, skip it for now and mark it. Come back after you've read more of the passage, then use the line reference to verify the best supported choice. Don't rely on memory for ACT reading. Always return to the passage and reread. Your answer choice should be supported by the text. To recap, don't start with the answers. Start with the objective. Reread the line reference with enough context and use elimination to find the best supported choice. Keep learning. Visit our ACT Study Hub for practice tests to get you ready for test day.